I think you're pulling the wrong side.
I'm gonna be honest. TikTok made me buy a heck of a lot of things before I filmed this video. And honestly, today's video is no exception because these are 10 things that TikTok made me buy and me testing them. I hope you guys like it. Today is day 3 of my TikTok series week of videos. I'm posting videos about TikTok related-ish every day this week, so hit subscribe if you guys haven't already. And every single day of this series, I'm giving away a $50 Visa gift card. So if you guys want to enter, it's open for all of my subscribers. And for today's entry, comment down below and let me know if you've ever bought anything because of TikTok. And if so, what was it? And was it good or did it suck? Also, I'd really love it if you guys gave this video a thumbs up and hit subscribe if you guys haven't already, because I'm posting every single day this week and it would mean a lot to me, and I feel like YouTube's algorithm is honestly not really supporting any creators right now. I hope no one from YouTube's watching this. I'm not saying that I would drink in public, but if I was to, I would probably drink out of a water bottle, and it would probably be like vodka soda. If I did. Nor am I encouraging anyone to drink alcohol in public, but when I was on TikTok and I saw these, I did kind of become curious as to if they would work and if they would look realistic. This is a Coca-Cola can covering. It says Coca-Cola, not Coca-Cola. I'm assuming that's a copyright thing from the random Amazon page that I bought it from. Oh, I probably shouldn't have bought black. I fucked it up. We should have got the other ones. These ones are extra strength, and if we didn't get extra strength, it would have worked. I mean, look, I probably wouldn't notice if it was actually silver. Let me know. Is this believable? Like, if this was silver on the top, is that believable?
I legit think it's believable.
Like, if I was hypothetically just at the beach, I don't think the lifeguards are gonna be like, that looks like a dodgy Coca-Cola. Not saying that y'all would do this either, but would you use this if that was the kind of thing that you did? Let me know in the comments. Just hypothetically. Should we go to the beach now? Nothing has quite followed me on TikTok as much as these leggings that make your booty look really good. You know those TikToks where like the girlfriend will put these on in front of her boyfriend to see what he says about her butt? I'm just looking for a really good reaction from my boyfriend next time he sees me wearing these leggings. This is my butt. Am I getting demonetized right now? This is my butt in a pair of Lululemon leggings. There it is. I'm gonna go put these on. Here is my butt in the TikTok-y leggings. I feel like because they're black and they're not gray, like you can't really see it as much. This is her overexposed so you can see it. Is there any booty action going on, y'all, or is this just fake? Hey babe, can you come look at my butt, please? These look bigger than normal.
Yeah.
Does it really?
Yeah. They go further up into your butt cheeks.
They just give you a bigger wedgie.
Yeah.
Okay, they're great. Thumbs up for these leggings. Disclaimer, you're about to see earwax, so if you guys don't want to see that, skip to
4 minutes 57.
Welcome to this segment of the video, which I'm gonna call Disgusting Weird Shit That KANE Bought After Seeing It on TikTok. We're about to show the TikTok. Just a warning, it's not cute and it involves ear stuff. So anyway, that's what KANE bought, and he's gonna let me do it, which I don't know if I'm fully comfortable with.
But let's get into it.
We literally just bought like a pen camera, like that's what this is. Why are you laying like that? KANE is also super paranoid about any earwax related stuff and is very clean in this way. Oh my god, okay y'all, this might not be for you if you don't want to see ear stuff.
Oh my goodness.
I don't think I can touch anything.
Okay, keep going. Oh.
Stuff.
Get it.
I don't actually.
Sarah, get it.
I don't actually think I can touch this stuff. How? I feel like you have to be really careful. Like, I don't want to do this. I don't know where to look.
I'm done.
I'm traumatized. Like, it's low-key satisfying. Honestly, as soon as I was actually like wax on that thing, like I just couldn't continue.
Now, would you buy it? Because I think it's kind of fun and disgusting. It's kind of like popping a pimple. I think it's really cool.
Ew, I just thought about it again and it makes me feel uncomfy. This is the NYX brow glue. This is comparable to like eyebrow lamination, which I got last month. It was $70 and this was like under $10. I'm really curious how many of you guys have tried eyebrow lamination. Let me know in the comments. Fun fact, it makes your eyebrows feel like straw. Let me just like coat them. It took kind of a while to dry, but I'm gonna actually just fill in one of my brows and compare, because there's absolutely no way that my sparse little brows could just do this. Loki looks like I had a brow lift. What the fuck? Okay, this is the finished eyebrows. I feel like if I dived into like a wave at the beach, my brows would hold up. This is approved. Let me know if you guys are gonna try this or you guys would try this. This is way better than normal brow gel. So I got this brush blow dryer that's meant to give you like a bomb blowout at home. So the air wrap that everyone uses on TikTok is literally like a $700 blow dryer, and like I just can't justify that. So I'm gonna put some heat protectant spray in, some oil, and let's get started. Kind of smells. Nothing in my body wants to section, but I'm gonna do it. I think this side is done. It definitely doesn't look how it looks at the hair salon, but I'm just gonna continue on. They're fixing something in the building and now it's very, very loud. But I'm actually pretty proud of the results for the first time. It's a little frizzier than when I go to the salon, but I like it. For me, it's approved. It's a little slower than I thought. I'm sure the air wrap is way better. Let me know what you think, you guys. I feel like I look so different because it's not anything like what my hair normally looks like, but it's cute. I love cheese. Cheese is pretty easy to grate, but for some reason, this cheese grater was invented. I'm not really sure why, but when I saw it on TikTok, I low-key I had to do it. I have accidentally grated my fingers before with this bad boy. Grating my fingers was also a fear of mine when I was a kid. Does it just go in here?
Yeah. No.
Oh, in here. Even though I watched the TikTok, I thought this was an electric cheese grater and I'm already underwhelmed. Oh, I have to have strength.
I think you're pulling the wrong side.
Ooh! Okay, this is like low-key kind of a workout, but it is easier than grating and it's way quicker. Is that it all? Oh, bitch!
How are your fingers?
Not damaged, so I'm feeling pretty good about this. Shall we do a little more? I don't even really need this cheese. So let's see, this tiny little block of cheese. Let's see how quick she can do it. Oh my god, I actually think I did it in under 10 seconds, except I just didn't realize I was done. It makes the cheese so cute and curly, what the heck? I'm actually kind of happy with this purchase. And it honestly seems just as easy to clean as a regular cheese grater. I approve of this. I am here on the floor of my office because Kane ordered this scraper thing, which unlike the girl in the video who says that she vacuums her carpet, I probably haven't vacuumed him at least a month. Oh, like I feel like it's not doing as much as hers, but it's definitely doing the most. I'm also mildly scared that I'm going to ruin the carpet in my rental apartment with this, but let's continue. This is from one tiny little patch of my carpet. This is awesome. So I love labeling stuff. I recently watched this TikTok where a girl had a label maker that she connected to her phone.
Pretty sure this was like $50 as well.
I feel like 50 bucks is pretty good considering I have a very mediocre one and that was like 70 bucks. I have downloaded the app on my phone and apparently I can even get like templates and stuff so we can make them different colored. At least I think. Am I wrong? And because it's a thermal printer, it like doesn't need ink. I'm just gonna print it out like this. Oh, but it didn't like print anything cute on there. Printing half the word. It definitely doesn't have the border. Why is it never printing in the center? What the heck? Maybe my regular label maker is better, and this is probably not even worth $56. Probably don't recommend. Before 2020 happened, I used to just get shellac on my nails. I never really had to worry about like drying because the lamp dries it. I saw a TikTok about this and then another one by the brand Essie. It's basically a top coat that you just drop on there when you're done, and it's meant to like make them dry super solid, super fast if it dries quickly in minutes.
Let's give it 10 minutes.
I was gonna say let's give it 2.
Minutes. That could be 59 or 60 minutes.
I'm gonna give this like a couple of seconds to dry. Let's give it a little coat of this. It's been 2 minutes. I definitely feel like it's garbage. I kind of like touched it and I got fingerprint marks in it, which after 2 minutes of rapid dry, I kind of would have expected it to not do that. It has been 10 minutes. I feel like I need to oh, no. It definitely is not dry enough to live my life. I'll check in when it's actually dry and we'll see how long it took. Pause the video right now, comment down below, let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna say in 1.5 hours, I will be comfy. I actually almost forgot about this. Here's the nail. I still get a little line in it, which it didn't do really that much, but I think if you are someone that like paints your nails before you go to bed and you did this like maybe 30 minutes before bed, it would be better. You probably wouldn't get as many sheet marks. I am currently 2 things right now. I am hungry and I am weak. There's multiple times where I've been cooking something and I haven't been able to open the jar.
That is huge.
This is an automatic jar opener. I don't understand what that just did. This is what we're having for lunch. As in, we had nachos, not just freaking corn chips and salsa. It actually did! It just put it back on! No! It's honestly kind of cool. What the f? Why did it scare me though? Like I knew it was gonna happen. Did it take forever? Yes. Did it open my jar of salsa? Yes. I rated it 10 out of 10. Let me know, would you buy it? So don't forget, I'm giving away a Visa gift card every single day of my TikTok video series this week. So if you guys haven't hit subscribe to watch every video this week, hit subscribe. I'm gonna have yesterday's video over here and the playlist of my other videos from the week over here. Comment down below. Has TikTok ever made you buy something? And you'll be entered to win a Visa gift card. And I'll see you guys tomorrow.